Welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered why older men are so attractive to younger women? Is it because of their maturity, demeanor with the valuable experiences they have accumulated over the years? The magic lies not only in their outward appearance, but also in the profound value they bring, from stability, maturity, to the ability to understand and accompany in all aspects of life. Today we will embark on a journey together to discover the subtle but powerful secrets that will help you leave a deep impression on younger women without having to force yourself or try too hard. It's not about tricks, but the art of expressing your true self in a sincere and attractive way. Imagine through every word, look, or simple gesture, you not only attract her attention, but also touch her heart. These seemingly small things can have a huge impact on how you create deep and lasting connections. Follow me through this video, because what you are about to discover could completely change the way you view your attractiveness to younger women. With a little bit of flair, confidence, and sincerity, you will see that making an impression and building a meaningful relationship is not as difficult as you think. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Why are young women attracted to older men? For young women, maturity is an important factor in a relationship. While men of the same age often give off a feeling of lack of direction, older men possess calmness and stability, both emotionally and in life. They not only know how to stay strong in difficult times, but also bring a sense of stability, something that young women always crave. It is this stability that helps them feel safe and peaceful when they are with them. The rich experiences over the years have formed the competent demeanor that older men naturally radiate. They clearly understand their own worth, know what they want, and do not hesitate to express it. This is a special attraction that young people often find difficult to have the wisdom from life lessons. Not only helps them know how to handle situations, but also brings admiration and trust from young women. Young women are always looking for a man who can give them a sense of security, both physically and mentally. And older men are the ones who meet this perfectly. Their calmness in handling problems, their ability to protect, and their high sense of responsibility make them a solid support in the eyes of women. Small gestures, timely attention, or simply a reliable presence are enough to create a strong bond. Combining maturity, confidence, and the ability to protect, older men not only bring a sense of attraction, but also become a source of inspiration, an ideal companion on the journey of life. It is these values that make them the ideal model that many young women seek in love and life. Part 2. The secret to conquering young women naturally. Maturity is not flowery words or empty affirmations, but is clearly shown through the way you live and behave with people around you. Instead of just talking about maturity, let her feel it through your every action. The way you calmly face difficulties, make wise decisions, or take care of her from the little things is what makes you special in her eyes. Respecting personal space is also an important factor that any woman appreciates. Don't text or call her constantly, because that can make her feel suffocated. Instead, let things happen naturally, giving both of you time to understand each other more deeply. When you know how to listen to her sincerely, are willing to share your true feelings, and create a safe space for both of you to feel comfortable, you not only show maturity but also prove that you are someone she can rely on. True maturity is the foundation for building a lasting relationship, where both of you not only accompany each other, but also respect and complement each other. Let your meaningful actions, calmness, and the way you create a sense of security become the fire that lights up your love. These things will not only make her feel loved, but also help your relationship become deeper and more meaningful. 2. Don't let your dates fall into monotony and boredom with familiar old places. Instead, bring creativity and surprise. An outdoor picnic with open space and the smell of grass and trees, a meal prepared by your own hands with great care, or a museum exploration with interesting stories can all become memorable experience. These activities not only refresh the relationship, but also show your sophistication and sincerity in spending time and effort with her. The most important thing is that you listen and take the time to understand her interests and desires. From there, create appropriate and meaningful activities so that she feels that you are not only a companion, but also truly care and understand her. A date does not need to be too elaborate or expensive, but the small details that are meticulously cared for will be unforgettable marks in her heart. Beautiful memories are not only built from the refinement of the exterior, but from the sincerity and sophistication in the way you create each moment together. When you make her feel understood, appreciated, and cared for, you are creating a solid foundation for the relationship, along with valuable memories that will stay in both of your hearts forever. 3. Transparency is always the key to building and maintaining a lasting relationship. Honesty not only shows respect, but is also the best way to avoid unnecessary hurt for both of you. Right from the start, be straightforward about your desires and expectations. If you are looking for a serious relationship, be clear so she understands that you are looking to build something long-term. On the contrary, if you are only looking for a short-term relationship, be bold in expressing that, whatever it is, the truth is always better than half-hearted words. In addition, sharing about past experiences will help you create closeness. Don't be afraid to talk about the mistake you've made, because that's not only a way for her to understand you better, but also shows that you're someone who knows how to learn and grow from your failures. This not only makes her feel more confident, but also shows that you're ready to build a solid future with the foundations of your own experiences. Remember, trust doesn't come naturally. It's built from sincerity and transparency in every word and action. When she feels that you not only want to share joy, but are also willing to face challenges together, you will become the support she's looking for. And from there, your relationship will not only stop at a simple connection, but also become a meaningful journey where both of you cultivate and grow together. 4. Clothing is not just about how you dress, but also how you tell your story in a subtle and attractive way. A well-fitted blazer, a pair of quality shoes, or a classic watch are not only fashion items, but also a statement of style and maturity. These details not only help you become more neat, but also affirm your confidence and style in front of others. Stay away from following youthful fashion trends that do not suit you. Trying to be like someone else will only make you lose your own personality. While young women are attracted to modern, sophisticated, and personal style, choose clothes that show elegance and composure, qualities that older men often possess. Instead of trying to blend into the style of younger people, the naturalness in the way you choose clothes is also what makes you attractive. A carefully chosen outfit not only shows your concern for yourself, but also shows respect for the other person. Young women are often impressed by men who exude confidence through their own unique style, not ostentatious but full of charm. A calm demeanor and sophistication in the way you dress are the weapons that help you conquer the eyes of women. Remember, class does not come from wearing expensive or trendy items, but from the way you choose the clothes that best suit you. When you are confident in yourself, you not only attract others, but also affirm your true value. 5. Body language is a non-verbal but powerful way of communication, helping you express your feelings and care. In a subtle way, a warm smile can melt away any distance. A loving gaze can say 1,000 unspoken words, and small gestures, like pulling out her chair when she sits or gently adjusting her scarf, are the actions that make her feel your sincere concern. More importantly, it is not just superficial actions, but you need to create an emotional space where she can freely express herself, share her joys or sorrows without fear of being judged. When she feels that you are not only listening, but also truly understanding and empathizing, she will trust and open up more. This is the foundation for building a deep and lasting relationship. A light touch on the hand or attentive look when she speaks can convey the respect you have for her. These seemingly simple gestures are the way for you to affirm that she is special and precious in your eyes. Remember, it doesn't have to be a big deal. Just the subtlety in the way you care is enough to make her happy when she feels your sincerity and understanding through both words and body language. The relationship between the two of you will not only stop at the physical attraction, but also go further in terms of soul. That is the power of emotional connection that any relationship needs to become deeper and more meaningful. Let body language become a bridge between you and her, where both of you can build trust and love based on respect and understanding. Part 3. What to avoid. Young women are not attracted to men who try to copy their style or trends. They are not looking for a man who wants to rejuvenate to fit in, but a man who is confident, knows his worth, and is proud of what he has. Your maturity and natural demeanor are what make you stand out. Don't force yourself to be someone you are not, because confidence in who you are is the most attractive thing. A lasting relationship should always be built on mutual respect. Don't let love turn into control or possessiveness. She needs to feel that you value her freedom. Give her space to grow and pursue her own passions. When you trust her and avoid actions that make her feel suffocated, you are creating a solid foundation for a long-term relationship where you can both be comfortable yourself. There is no substitute for honesty and love. Any relationship should be built on a foundation of honesty, respect, and understanding. Don't be afraid to share your true feelings, including your joys and fears. Honesty not only builds trust, but also opens the door for deeper understanding. When you show your true self, you not only create a strong connection, but also make her feel secure and loved. Naturality, respect, and honesty are the most important factors in making your relationship with a young woman meaningful and lasting. Be yourself. Give her the freedom to shine, and always put honesty first. That is how you will not only win her heart, but also create a relationship that is truly worthwhile. The real attraction of an older man is not in trying to change to become someone else, but in being confident in being him. Young women are not looking for men who are trying to prove themselves, but men who are mature enough to understand their true worth. That is how you bring a sense of security, stability, and deep values that she expects in a relationship. Remember, the sophistication in behavior, the maturity in facing challenges, and the sincerity in every action are the keys to open the door to a sustainable relationship. Don't be afraid to express your emotions, and don't be afraid to share what belongs to you. Your honesty and warmth will not only help her feel loved, but also create a strong foundation for both of you to build a future together. If you find these shares useful, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and feelings and accompanying you on your journey to finding love. Thank you for taking the time to watch. And don't forget to come back for more videos where we will discover more meaningful and interesting things together.